I don't know what vlogging is. What are you talking about? Why are you asking me if I'm vlogging? I have no idea what vlogging is.
Then why do you vlog all the time?
I don't vlog all the time. That's the problem. I haven't vlogged in forever. Welcome to the vlog. Look who it is.
I got something in my face. What is that thing?
You couldn't be here in person, so I had to get you on here somehow, you know? You know what time it is.
Is it fireworks time without me? You know, I'm already halfway there. You could have waited. I could have came the other half and we could have went, or you could have met me.
Bri's back here to represent you.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good then.
Yeah.
That's an honorable representation. I'll take that.
There you go. There you go. That's the parachutes. Let me see.
Parachutes.
Yeah.
Big boom.
Big boom. Say it louder.
Big boom.
We're not done yet, are we? If you thought we were done, we're not done. We're about to go to a store that we've never been to before, right?
Me either, because this is my first time getting fireworks.
Oh, true. All right. We're here at Superior Fireworks. Superior Fireworks. First time here. Let's check it out. Now we gotta try and fit all of those in here. All right, we'll make it. What'd you think of that store? That was a pretty good store, wasn't it?
Yeah, we got a lot of fireworks now.
Oh, I think so, yeah.
Our cars.
The car's packed now. And the thing is, this group was awesome. The store, the people in the store.
And I was shy the first store, but I started being unshy. Now I started talking to the other people here. I helped a lot.
You did help a lot, thank you. I appreciate your help. And it was really nice because it started raining and they started bagging the fireworks for us, which was
probably a good thing.
It's a good thing because now it's raining outside, a little bit heavier than it was before. And
actually, it's actually sprinkling now. So
okay.
Actually, as I was saying, we have not vlogged for a very, very long time, since last year.
Right, so now we're back and we're doing the vlogs because this is the firework vlog, the traditional yearly firework vlog, right?
Yes, and 5
Finally.
Firework day is here.
It's almost here. 4th of July.
4th of July, come on, baby.
Oh yeah. Let's go. The stash has been unloaded. We're ready for the 4th of July. There's one thing that I am looking forward to this year, and it is the neon blaze. Yes, neon mortars. We're gonna put those shells up in the air and blow them up, and hopefully it's gonna look pretty cool. One thing I wanted to say in comparison with the two places that we went today, Superior and Phantom. Phantom had a 40% off, no, Phantom had a 30% off when you walk in the door. And then after you spend a certain amount of money, they bring it to 50% off, which is okay, but still the value, the price tag, you got to do the math in your head. 50% off is not that hard to do the math, but I didn't know about it till we got to the register. So that's one thing. So I was doing the math for 30% off in my head. Anyway, is what it is. But when we got to Superior, they had, the price is what the price is. They had a 40% off sale. Actually, it didn't really matter to me what the sale was, because the price, the tag that was there was a lot less than the tags that were at Phantom, and it was more attractive. I wanted to buy more at Superior, which I did. I left Superior with 2 carts. I only left Phantom with 1. So, and also a quick shout out to all the employees over at Superior. It was raining outside and they bagged up all of our fireworks for us so they wouldn't get wet, and also helped us out to the car, which they were insistent to help, but I said, don't worry about it, don't worry about it. It was really because I didn't want them to see the Phantom fireworks in the back of the car, you know. But anyway, they came out anyway and was helping, and I really appreciate it. Good people at Superior Fireworks, just outside of Orange Park. You want to close the vlog, Bri?
I forgot how to do it.
You just say thanks for watching. All right, so this is we're ready. Oh, look at this, Hooked Up. This vlog was sponsored by Hooked Up. Yeah. Hooked Up, sponsored by Hooked Up. All right, you gonna say goodbye, everybody? Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.
Watching.
Got it? All right. Watch your foot.
Well, hello everybody. Since my uncle been taking over the vlog for a while, now I can finally have it. We are probably, I don't know where we're heading now. So, as y'all have missed me all this time that I've been not on vlog for a very long time.
All right.
So,
there we go.
Seriously? I was telling you.
Oh, you were talking? Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you.